Welcome to Helionyx. One pipeline, everything in one place. We take you from idea to finished film, without the work of stitching together a script, characters, locations, shot lists, storyboards, and generations across 6 different tools. Every stage is built in, every stage is editable. Powered by Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and any model you want to bring with you. This is what one workflow looks like. It starts with an idea. Even just a sentence, a peasant girl who finds out she's the king's daughter, and our AI director turns it into a full story brief. Genre, tone, era, stakes, character motivations. You collaborate with it like a creative partner, and when the brief is ready, the script writes itself from there. The script comes out fully formatted: scenes, dialogue, action lines, music cues, production notes. Edit any line, rewrite any scene, or hand the whole thing back to the director and ask for a different ending. It's your script. We just give you the first draft you don't have to fight for. Helionyx pulls every character from your script automatically. Front view, three-quarter, profile, expression sheet, generated as one locked design that follows your character across every shot. No more characters who change eyes between cuts. No more re-rolling 100 times to find the same face twice. Same thing for your locations, your throne room, your stables, your moonlit garden. Designed once, locked, and reused across every scene that calls for them. You can generate variations, same place, different time of day, different weather, without losing the core design. Every scene gets broken down into shots automatically. Camera angle, action, dialogue, character, location, duration, all extracted from the script and laid out as a full shot list you can edit, reorder, or expand. Click any field, change anything. The whole pipeline updates downstream. Before any video gets generated, you board the scene. Helionyx generates one composite sheet for the entire scene, every panel laid out, every key moment captured, before you spend a single credit on video generation. Approve panels you like, flag the ones that aren't right, regenerate just the ones you need. It saves you from generating shots you'd throw out anyway. Then we render. Each shot anchors to your locked character sheet, your locked location, and your approved storyboard panel, so what comes back is yours, not a stranger. Powered by Seedance 2.0 for video, Nano Banana Pro for stills, and any other model you want to plug in. Generate one shot, generate the whole scene, generate the whole film. When the shots are in, you assemble. Built-in timeline editor, split, duplicate, detect cuts, auto-arrange, add your audio. Everything you need to finish a film without leaving Helionyx. And then you export, MP4, done, yours. This is what creators are making with Helionyx today. Royal romances, mecha epics, slice of life shorts.
Same path, same time, same coffee at the machine by the East Gate. If I were a ghost, this is what it would feel like.
Film concepts that lived in their heads for years, finished in a weekend. One creator, one workflow, one finished film. Helionyx opens private beta in late May. If you join the waitlist now, you're in line for founder pricing, locked in for life when we go to full release. This isn't a launch discount, it's a thank you to the people who got here first. Helionyx.studio. The link is in the description. Welcome to the workflow.